Hi everyone, here we've got a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, we have to make sure that we've got the internet connection, because obviously it is required for downloading, and then we can enter the Play Store. So in my case it is in the Google folder. Let's tap the Play Store, and here normally we should tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner, but recently all of those options have been transferred to this circle. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got my apps and games. So let's tap on it again, and here we've got the list of all updates pending. We've got only 2 of them, and here we've got also the list of recently updated. So of course you can update all of those apps just by tapping on this green button here, but you can update all of them one by one manually, for example, or just one of them or 2 of them. So all you have to do is simply find them in the list and tap on update right next to it. So I will pick the Gmail, for example. Let me tap on update, and as you can see, it is immediately transferred to the very top of the list. Right now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.